Ding. Ding, siapa teh? Yere, Pak Yare. Mama.
Did you do that? Why? You jump high, jump right.
Siapa teh?
Right.
Arya. Orang, siapa teh? Orang, Pak dah. Apa urok? Ada apa urok? Dia nukira. Kira jadian. That's double there right there. And that's like, that's the full wood up. If you look over here, this is where I'm gonna build my store right here. Gita. I'm gonna build my hotel. Right on top of this mountain right here. That's where we're gonna build our hotel, right there. Apa teh? Ada. Ada. Itu sipur. Dah cimiaran nom. There's a ship right there. And that's where my dad stays. I did a little bit there. That's still my goal. That mountain right there. A lot of people died over there falling down. And this is my dad's sister's land right here on top of this mountain too. It's where I'm trying to build my house right here. Take a stairs up right here, going up this hill. Try to make the stairs. I want to make the stairs. That's where we swim, Nene. Remember? Yeah. Right by those trees. Right there. That's Lugito right there. That's where we stand. Oh, dude. It's a nice place to swim right here. We're on top of this hill. Trying to make a hotel. The stairs going up there. And then there's Luga. That being down that way. Finish behind. see the tent on top of our place. So that right here is the most beautiful spot ever. DJ. Going down to all these houses. There's a lot of houses right here. The gym, Blue Duck is right there. And the bridge right there goes all the way. Oh, you can see underwater. Mickey Mouse straight. Somebody's Mickey Mouse. Yeah, get that. Okay, Choice. Choice. Iraranan dia kian di kawat, anu dia negara diri kawat cara dia. Oh, ya.